The boat shed is actually an icon in Western Australia. It's the Crawley Bay. It's been there for a long, long time. It's now privately owned. It was just a beautiful building that was old and on water and just worked so well as an image. And I actually came back a dozen times to get the light, the mood and everything right in this. For me, I just love the colours. I love the simplicity of it. I just love the shed itself and the jetty and how it all connects. It's just an image that can be viewed by anyone, anywhere in the world as what it is, just a beautiful old piece of architecture.